baby needs a name. Your wish came true. You have a pet of your very own. A strawberry shortcake? But I have another wish. I want to have a name of my very own, too. We should give you a name soon and not leave it open to debate. Strawberry Land is very sheltered, but it's a big world out there, and others might have very different opinions about what constitutes an appropriate name. I'm not worried. Well, I'm just saying. Oh, hello, bitch pudding. What's up, hoes? Anyway, I'm sure that one day someone will give you a name. Your name is Face. You Face. Bam! Face. Bam! Face. Bam, bitches. I'm so sorry. I think she has Asperger's or something, but don't take it personally. Baby needs